I think the worst of this winter storm will stay just to the east of Cleveland, but if you're over towards Ashtabula, Warren, Youngstown, Salem, even down towards Carrollton, New Philadelphia, you will likely get several inches of snow between tomorrow evening and Monday. There's an area of high pressure that will build in for tonight and tomorrow, so that means plenty of bright sunshine for your Tuesday. We're talking about 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts possible through the afternoon into early tonight, and not a great day to be out in the boat across the lake because a gale warning is in place. Actual air temperatures middle to low teens as we go through the night in Cleveland. I think by 2, 3, 4 a.m., most of that snow will start to wind down. But at least we're getting rid of most of the snow. Still some scattered lake effect flurries up into parts of Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga counties and into northern portions of Summit. And we are digging out from all of that heavy snow last night, this morning. You can see it covering the ground in Lorain. I'll let you know how much more snow I'm expecting coming up. If you are going to be heading to a friend's house, maybe to a sports bar to catch the game, throw on the thick warm coat before you head out. Temps are going to be in the 20s around here. Yeah, listen to them. Don't get in this situation where you get out, you get stuck. If you can stay inside, just do that because, as I mentioned, we've got several inches of snow.
You haven't had a Powerball winner since October. Could be you, Remeisha.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm already thinking about everything I can do.
Oh, that's right. Remember, I'm your cousin on your mama's side.
I will not forget. It is a mess out here, Trent. It's good you're inside because out here it is a rough go. In fact, we were trying to head south, but the car got stuck. In fact, you can see behind me a couple of cars stuck in the snow, several inches of snow across downtown Cleveland. I'm in the Playhouse Square area around Huron, and it is definitely coming down. We've got wind gusts near 30 miles per hour, blowing snow. You can see on the ground several inches of snow, so it is just going to be really tough to get around downtown Cleveland. If you don't have to be out here, it's a holiday. If you have the day off, try to stay at home, stay warm, stay inside, because out here it is a mess. I did see some crews off in the distance trying to plow the streets, but for now it is certainly messy out here. It's going to continue. We've got a winter storm warning still in place until 4 p.m. so just be really careful if you have to head out. It is still a rough go out here. It's still a mess. Difficult, treacherous travel. Right now we're on Interstate 77, still traveling south, getting very close to Akron, Fairlawn. It is still a mess. We just passed by a truck that had slid off the road and it's stuck. It's going to need some help digging out. Also, as we passed by the 271 exit going 77 north, we had a lot of backup there. So definitely be careful if you have to head out. If you don't, stay at home, stay safe. Tanisha, where are you and what do you see? What's happening? We got a wind advisory for a big chunk of the area, northern, western spots, Cuyahoga, Lake, northern Ashtabula until midnight. Should end for you in our western counties, including Erie, Huron, Richland, Ashland, Lorain, Medina at 10 p.m. We're talking about 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts possible through the afternoon into early tonight, and not a great day to be out in the boat across the lake because a gale warning is in place where we could have some gusts close to 50 miles per hour there, and it's pretty choppy and rowdy out there. Waves maybe around 7 to 14 feet. So a lot going on out there with this wind. Notice it is rolling in out of the southwest between 30 to 40 miles per hour for Cleveland, Akron, but 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts being reported at this point back towards Sandusky and Fremont, close to 50 mile per hour gusts. So don't be surprised to see a few tree limbs maybe getting blown down, isolated power outages as we go through the afternoon and evening. So keep that in mind. Be extra careful out there. Wind advisory will be in place through tonight. Not only are we dealing with the wind, but we've got an Arctic front headed our way. So much colder air will be filtering in for tonight, Thursday and Friday. Nights in the teens likely, and better snow chances as well, especially for Thursday and Friday. But it's not going to last. We are much warmer by the weekend and talking about more rain rolling in. So we are definitely up and down for the next several days. As far as those temps, they are nice and mild, at least for January standards, ahead of this cold front heading in. Most of you in the 40s right now, hanging out at 41 degrees in Cleveland. We're cloudy and windy. It's not going to last, though. Check out this map. 41 right now, but look what's happening behind this front. Already down to 13 in Chicago, 12 in Minneapolis, 1 below 0 in Bismarck. It's not going to get quite that cold here, but we are definitely going to be feeling those teens by tonight. In fact, I think by 4 p.m., we're already down to around freezing, 33 degrees. Then we dip to the 20s and the teens as we slide through the nighttime hours. Yes, it will be windy with those gusts approaching 45, 50 miles per hour at times. times for the afternoon, and we could have an isolated light rain or snow shower across the area. So strong cold front rolls in. Those temperatures will be falling throughout the day. Hopefully you've taken down the holiday decorations, because if not, they may get whipped around in that wind for this afternoon and this evening. Teens are likely for tonight and Thursday morning. We're stuck in the 20s for Thursday afternoon with a few snow showers possible. It's going to be the same story as we wrap up the work week. Teens and 20s as well for Friday. So Futurecast shows those temperatures down into the 30s this afternoon behind that front. And there's the slim shot for a few light snow showers for that drive home through tonight. I don't expect it to amount to much. In fact, through about Friday, maybe a couple inches of accumulation, especially up around the snow belt. Thursday snow not looking that impressive. It looks like a system that we thought would bring some snow to our southern counties will likely stay a little bit farther to the south. But we do have lake effect snow that we will have to worry about for parts of Thursday and Friday, and some very chilly temps. So thick, warm coats, boots, bundle up. At least we're back above freezing by the weekend. 35 Saturday, 43 for Sunday. So a little wet and warmer for the Browns game. The heaviest, most widespread snow has rolled out, but we're still dealing with winter storm warnings out there. It's going to be rough to get around for the next several hours. In fact, likely through tonight, even into tomorrow morning. But that winter storm warning will last through 4 p.m. up around Cleveland. Farther south, Akron, Canton, Worcester, New Philly, you're under that winter storm warning until 1 p.m. And it lasts all the way through 1 a.m. Tuesday up towards Mentor and Ashtabula, where you'll likely have to deal with some lake-enhanced snow on top of what you've already experienced. In fact, we have a few of those lake-enhanced bands setting up that snowfall. So I'll zoom in and show you exactly what's going on. The heaviest of it right now up towards Ashtabula, Jefferson, Trumbull, Windsor, over towards Paynesville and Chardon, typically where we expect the lake effect snow bands to set up and become a little on the heavy side. So more snow where you really don't need it. Over 2 feet of snow reported for parts of Ashtabula. A few light snow showers still persisting down around Salem. A little bit of lake-enhanced snow as well over towards Sandusky and Norwalk. But look at these totals. Biggest amount of snowfall so far has been reported in Ashtabula, 25.3 inches. Wow, that is a lot of snow, and it's going to take a lot of time to dig out from that. 18 inches for you in Conneaut. Akron Canton Airport reporting close to a foot. Cleveland Hopkins Airport, 8.2 inches of snow. So we're going to be dealing with digging out from this system for quite a while. So this is what we know at this point. This winter storm, fortunately, is starting to push away from us, but still some lake effect snow showers are going to set up for the rest of today into tonight, especially across the primary snow belt. Travel will be treacherous, very difficult to get around on many of those roads. Some of the roads still are likely impassable out there, so a lot of cars are still getting stuck, and that will continue through the afternoon and evening. So if you don't have to be out there, just stay at home, stay safe. Lake effect will be fading for Tuesday morning, but temperatures are staying chilly, likely below freezing through tomorrow. So the snow not going anywhere anytime soon. Maybe by Wednesday we'll start to melt some of this snow, but we're in the middle 20s right now with a strong breeze out of the west, northwest. So when you factor in that breeze, it feels like it's in the teens, and you can see that snow covering the ground across Lorraine. Here are those wind chill values. This is what it feels like to any exposed skin. So make sure to put on the gloves, the hat, and the scarf, because you don't want to be out there in those chills in the teens. Here is the powerhouse winter storm starting to push out, but it's going to wreak havoc across parts of the northeast, bringing some heavy snow there. But for us, temps in the 20s for that evening drive, and a few lake effect snow showers lingering, as you can see on Futurecast. So we are going to have that potential through tomorrow morning. Then things will start to improve, and we should briefly get warmer by the middle of the week. There's the big chill, though, towards late week, Thursday and Friday, likely some of the coldest air of the season, so get ready for that. Mainly rain out there tonight, but we've got some really cold air headed our way, and maybe some heavy lake effect snow for some of you, too. So we're on that roller coaster. We are up and we are down, but a little bit milder tonight for mainly rain. However, up towards Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties, winter weather advisory will stick around through 4 a.m. Due to the fact that those temps are still hovering close to freezing, so there could be a brief window of light freezing rain, maybe a little sleet, a few snowflakes mixing in with the rain at times up towards Chardon, Thompson, parts of Ashtabula, Perry. So keep that in mind. Few roads may be slick, but temperatures are actually warming as we go through the night, so it shouldn't stick around for long. Mainly rain showing up down around New Philly, Worcester, Sandusky. Looks like mainly rain for you as well. Back towards Fremont, there could be a light wintry mix off and on for the next hour or two before it switches to all rain. So temps are warming tonight, light rain, a little bit of a mix for the next few hours, but then it's going to be just plain rain for your Sunday morning. Colder by Sunday afternoon as those temps take a nosedive behind a strong cold front with maybe a little snow around late Sunday, but a much bigger shot for a big round of Arctic air, maybe some heavy lake effect snow for Monday and Tuesday. So we're going to be monitoring that setup closely. Tonight, though, look at these temperatures. What a difference 24 hours make. Yesterday, we were stuck in the 20s. Now we're close to 40 late at night. 38 in Cleveland, 39 out at the Akron-Canton Airport. Little rain here and there, maybe a few sleet pellets mixing in, but mainly rain. Tomorrow, we get close to 40 by mid to late Sunday morning, but then a very strong cold front rolls through, and that sends our temperatures tumbling for your Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, late Sunday night. We are into the teens. Monday, I don't think we get out of the low to mid 20s, so the cold air will definitely be in place. And with that colder air rolling over the warmer lake waters, that's going to be another setup for some lake effect snow for Monday and early Tuesday. I think for Sunday, it's going to start off as mainly rain for the morning hours. You can see the moisture building in ahead of this next front. Few sleet pellets, few snowflakes may mix in overnight, but as I mentioned, it's going to just be mainly in the liquid form. So a little wet for your Sunday morning if you're going for a walk, going to run a few errands. Maybe you're doing some tailgating, celebrating, gearing up for the big Browns game. Light rain to deal with. Close to 40, though, for tomorrow morning through about lunchtime. Then as we go in the afternoon, that cold front pushes through. Most of the precip rolls out, but those temps are tumbling all afternoon and evening down into the teens and 20s for your Monday. And look at the blue on the map for Monday morning. That is snow, so some lake effect snow likely setting up for your Monday. This model through Monday night showing maybe between 2 to 3 inches up towards Paynesville, Jefferson. But, of course, where those squalls persist, we could have potentially a few spots with 4 to 8 inches of snow. So gear up for that Monday and Tuesday. Tonight, temperatures are increasing close to 40 early Sunday. Kickoff for the Browns, 1 p.m., 37. Most of the rain will be out of here by then, but then the bottom falls out. Monday and Tuesday, super cold, highs in the low 20s, lows in the single digits and teens. And yes, we will be watching for additional heavy lake effect snow on Monday. Derek?